increasingly when we want to share our information in Excel with other people. And so the idea is if you go to File, you get the option to share. If you click the Share option, you can share it with people, which means you're saving it to the cloud. The cloud, well, Microsoft's cloud, is called OneDrive, and that's mentioned there. If you have a OneDrive account, you're actually able to load your Excel file up to OneDrive, which means it can be accessed from anywhere. You can also ask to invite other people and share it with other people so we can collaborate on a file that sits on the cloud. The other way to share with people is to email people. And of course you can always email me, Cathy, C-A-T-H-I, @extra.co.nz. You can email me the file as attachment, which means I actually get the Excel file. You could also email me as a link, in which case everybody can access the file who has that link and they can see the latest changes to that file, and it also means that we're not actually attaching the file to an email, and it keeps it nice and small. You can also send it as a PDF file. PDF stands for Portable Document Format, and if you send it as a PDF file, it means that anyone can read it. It preserves the layout, the formatting, the fonts, and the images, but people can't easily change it unless they have a PDF editor or Adobe. You can also fax. If you have a fax service provider, you could fax the attachment, and no fax machine is needed. So there's a variety of ways that you can share. Share it on the cloud or email it in a variety of formats, and each is explained well on the side here.